Last time I saw your face was on Christmas Eve. Now your mother gets to embrace you again up in the clouds. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I am proud. Yes, I am proud to carry your name. Last time I heard your voice was on Christmas Eve. Played your song of mine on my guitar. How I wished for you to be proud of me. You raised my father, who made me who I am today. Me and my brothers, we will never forget the summers in Darling. Now your father gets to see you again. Up in the clouds, up in the clouds. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Why I'm proud to carry your name. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I am proud to carry your name. Yes, I am proud. Oh, I'm so proud to carry your name. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I'm so proud to carry your name. all these words I need to say, still ashamed for who I was. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Intoxicated, standing at your door, without you, I am alone. Bleeding out, bleeding out, blood red. I cut myself off on the sharp rose of love. Nothing can stop the raging war in a teenage heart, except for that first glimpse of love that started